Google's Nano Banana Pro is out, and I'm going to show you exactly why you should care as a content creator, designer, filmmaker, or anyone trying to stay ahead of the trend. Not only is it possible to keep the same characters consistent across multiple scenes throughout your stories, but now you can even generate scenes with popular characters like celebrities. Not only that, you can now create images with text that are completely readable, or if you're feeling creative, make your own comics. I mean, just take a look at this. Honestly, I've been playing around with it for a few days, and the results that I'm getting are shocking. But instead of just hyping up the model, let's actually take it for a spin inside Higgsfield AI. Quickly go to Images and choose Nano Banana Pro. Now, don't forget to choose the resolution that you prefer. Users can now choose anywhere from 1 to 4K resolution, which is just incredible. The first thing I'm going to do is to try generating an image of a bunch of celebrities at once. Most image generators absolutely refuse to create celebrity images. And even if they do, the characters don't look like the real person. Let's try creating an image of Donald Trump, Brad Pitt, Morgan Freeman, Elon Musk, Barack Obama, and Bill Clinton in a Mad Max scene. I'll quickly hit generate and wait for the result. Check this out, it's generated every single one of the characters starting from the first to last name inside the prompt that was provided. You can actually download the image and zoom in if you want a better look. Let's try another one with the same characters, but this time they should be eating ice cream at Disneyland. Check this one out as well. It's able to create each of the characters, which was a huge problem with the previous model that would outright refuse to generate them. Now let's go even further. I'm going to prompt the AI to change the color of Bill Clinton's ice cream to green. Check out this result. The AI was actually able to identify which one was Bill Clinton, the specific ice cream that he's eating, and finally change the color for only that one. If you compare it with the original image, you'll notice that it kept everything else the way it was and only changed the color of that ice cream. I didn't need to regenerate it multiple times to get exactly what I wanted. Just once, and the AI figured out exactly what I meant, which is just amazing. Check out this image of the same characters, all dressed as basketball players, and this other one, where they're actually playing. It's still maintaining their facial features even from different angles. Now, we've seen how spot on Nano Banana Pro is when it comes to celebrity images, and even understanding specific prompts. It's time to check out how well it does with texts. Let's try something like a young black man holding a newspaper article about Elon Musk landing on Mars. It created a nice headline, and even included an image of a shuttle landing. Obviously, this is quite simple. So let's try with something much more complicated, like a computer monitor with a Microsoft Word document open. And then I'll paste some large text as the content of the document. Let's see how well it's going to do with the full text. Now there's the desktop with the Microsoft Word interface nicely done. It's actually so detailed that it could pass for the real thing. The text also looks amazing. Looks like the AI actually created the full text perfectly. It even kept the numbering and bullet points, line spacing, and everything else look close to the original if you compare them. The cool thing is that I didn't add any information for the formatting. I simply copied and pasted the text and it did the formatting by itself. You can actually see how clear the texts are. Everything is completely readable with no character morphing or distortion. No other image model comes this close when it comes to text. Let's take this to another level. Maybe a split screen with the left side playing Mario Kart and the document on the right side with one of my scripts inside. Check out this quality even when I zoom in. It created the game perfectly, and the document looks just like any normal Microsoft Word document, this time with the black theme. Another one with classic Mario playing on one side and the normal Microsoft Word theme on the other. It nails it perfectly, from the document to the text and even the gameplay. The amazing part is that I didn't need to generate it multiple times to get exactly what I wanted. Just one submission with the right prompt and the results are exactly what you ask for. Let's try one last time with text on a translucent white image over a character. A very simple prompt. It nailed this text perfectly as well. Now you may be creating a story which requires multiple characters that need to be moved between scenes. This has always been one of the issues with AI image generation. It's able to keep one character consistent, but the moment you add multiple, it loses all reason. Nano Banana Pro has simplified this process. Now you can add multiple images and use them throughout your story. I've already generated some random images, so I'm going to upload them and add a simple prompt. Let's try putting them in Disneyland as well. I'll just say the characters are having fun at Disneyland and send. I should have changed the aspect ratio. So let's try again. The first one is ready, and take a look at our characters. It maintained the faces of the characters and kept the outfit of the teachers exactly as they were. But there were some changes to the kids' clothing to match the fun environment of Disneyland, which is understandable. The landscape image, on the other hand, shows shows them in the same outfit, but with some added accessories. The teacher was supposed to be holding a book, but it looks like the AI made it into some kind of manual to fit the scene, which is pretty cool. Now, let's try putting them in a different environment. Something like sitting on a bench. Check this out. Every single thing, from their faces to their clothing, looks exactly as the original images. And that's without needing to prompt the AI to keep their clothing consistent. It even maintained the book that the teacher was holding. Now, let's try changing the outfit for the male teacher. I'll remove all the other characters, leaving only the teacher, and then add individual images of a hoodie, a shoe, a bicycle, and an apple. I'm simply going to give it something like this. The character in image 1 is wearing the hoodie from image 2 and the shoes in image 3. He's riding the bike from image 4 while eating the apple from image 5. This prompt is quite straightforward, so let's see the result. While we wait for that to be generated, let's take a look at how well it understands data. I'm going to paste some random sample data that I copied from the internet and ask the AI to use the data to create a simple bar graph. Looks like our previous image is ready, and as you can see, the teacher is now wearing the hoodie and shoes, riding the bike, while eating the apple. It actually maintained his trousers since the prompt didn't ask for that to be changed, which is pretty cool. The bar graph has also been generated with each bar having its respective figure above it. To show you how well Nano Banana Pro understands the image and the data, I'm going to give it a command to change the second value of brand B and see the result. Take a look at this. Not only did it understand which specific bar I was referring to, but it also increased the bar to make up for the value. That's how well it understands data. In case you want to create a simple graph for work or some kind of illustration, the model can nail it perfectly with just one attempt, simply from the data you provide. One important thing that we as content creators struggle with is creating scroll-stopping thumbnails. So let's see how it can help us with that. I'm simply going to give it a prompt to create a Mr. Beast-style thumbnail for a train crushing into a sports car. This image has Mr. Beast on the right and some text on the left. Let's change that quickly by asking it to switch him to the left and completely remove the text. Now take a look at this. This could almost pass for one of his actual thumbnails. I'll quickly test out a few variations with some glow and contrast. Let's try replacing Mr. Beast with this random character that I generated using this simple prompt. Looks like it made the character a cartoon. So let's quickly try for the original. Check this out. It did an excellent job switching the characters. This darker option I requested also isn't too bad. It can be used for a whole bunch of other thumbnails besides Mr. Beast's style. Let's try creating this popular style in my niche. I'm simply going to paste this simple prompt that I created. You can pause and read the full thing if you want to try the same prompt, but it's simply asking for the text at the top, a character in the middle, logo and texts at the left, then flipped horizontally on the right. As you can see, this could pass for one of my thumbnails, well, except for the random character at the center. So I'm going to fix that by adding my character. Now take a look at this. It's already looking good, but it looks like I didn't specify that the money should be behind the character. Also, the channel logo should be at the side of the channel name and the number of subscribers. Now this looks considerably better. Let's try a few other styles, maybe remove the laptop and replace it with a silver play button, or even the character standing and holding the play button. The options are endless, so feel free to test this out as much as you want. You can even create your own comic book with the tool without any issues with the text or characters. I'm going to add this simple prompt that I created for a 6-panel comic. Now, check this out. The characters and texts all look good. I'm going to quickly try recreating it, but this time with my avatar acting as the hero. This result looks amazing. It keeps my character consistent. The hair, glasses, and even maintains the green theme from the green clothing of the avatar. I doubt anyone would have a second thought if they were told that this was created by a professional comic book artist. You can even use Nano Banana Pro to create a detailed infographic like this, or replace a character in a popular movie. The use cases are endless. You can annotate an image and the AI will make the necessary changes. Look at the result. Not only did it understand the annotation to change the color of the circled shoe to yellow, it also changed the other one to match. Now, if you want unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro, Higgsfield AI is offering unlimited generations for 1 year for anyone who subscribes through November 24th. Their prices are the lowest on the market compared to these other tools, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want to take it for a spin. Anyway, thank you, and see you in the next one.